Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2023 Ford Bronco Sport in the new Heritage trim, powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency with four-wheel drive capabilities, so you're going to be able to get around pretty well. And coming in the new Robin's Egg Blue, a very light blue, matches the Bronco Sport quite well, and the Heritage trim giving you a bit of a retro throwback. You've got the white grille, the white rims to match, and the pinstriping with the classic Bronco font, as well as the white roof and some interior bits. But let's take a look inside. Looking into the back, we've got a pretty spacious cargo area that can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats. You have these tie-down points on either side with little lassos on them, 12-volt power outlet. Over here you have the power button for your rear cargo lights that can be articulated to shine wherever you need them. And then underneath the rugged cargo floor here, you have your full-size spare with some extra room around. And looking into the back, where you have comfortable seating for three, again with the Heritage trim, you get this sort of flannel pattern on the seats, and in the middle you have fold-out armrests with two cup holders, as well as having two USB-Cs down there, and the backs of the seats have zippered pouches with molly rigging that you can hook equipment onto. And this vehicle has a remote start, so no need to go outside to warm up your vehicle. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen, where you can cycle through your trip information, your My View, driver assistance features and settings, your Now Playing, phone controls, and further information about your vehicle. Moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls, and then you have your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom, and your lane keeping system on the end of your signal stock. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. Moving down, you have your media controls, auto start, stop, shut off, and hazards. Below that, you have this little tray area, and then you've got your climate controls with heated front seats. And below that, you have this little area here with a USB, USB-C, 12-volt power outlet, and wireless charging pad, so you can throw your phone on there. Then you've got your main shifter on a dial, very convenient, parking brake, brake hold, two cup holders, and your GOAT mode selector, or drive mode selector, for normal, eco, sport, slippery, and sand, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Then you've got your center compartment / armrest with plenty of room inside, and including two more USB-Cs. Last but not least, you have a power moonroof so you can let in the sunshine, but that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested in a new Bronco Sport with a bit of a classic look, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.